The Galle Chandelier at the J. Paul Getty Museum in Los Angeles, California. The Getty Museum, Saturday, September 15th, I visited the Getty Museum in Los Angeles. During my stay, I was able to see firsthand 17th and 18th century furniture pieces. Upon visiting the Los Angeles Getty Museum, I became completely mesmerized by the Galle Chandelier. For the Galle Chandelier, I came across the small writing table to your left. This piece had scrolls and 20 branches of leaves with a lighter color of tulip wood veneer. The floral panels on the top and sides were surrounded by a dark veneer. Next to it, you will see a chair. Outside of the common room display were two chairs. This chair was inspired by nature. You will see shells, leaves, and plants on the crest of the arms and the back. The maker and designer of the chair were completely unknown. This chair was made for a formal reception room in a high society house. Beneath it, you will see the French bed. This bed was known as a lit le tokru, which means a Turkish bed. This bed would have been made in a very large room in a grand residence. The body of the bed can be pulled out on wheels while leaving its back attached to the wall. It made it very easy for servants to make up the bed. Next to it is a very small writing table. It had me puzzled and curious. This rare table was created in the 16th century and was decorated with ivory and horn. It had been painted blue underneath. The color displayed Chinese porcelain of blue and white. This style was used to decorate private retreats during its time. The top of the table was raised for writing and reading while holding your supplies inside. The Galle Chandelier. The beauty is in the details. The Galle Chandelier represents many different symbols. Here you will see the zodiac in the corner with the Pisces and the Gemini. You'll see natural elements such as representing air with the griffins, water with the attached fishbowl, fire while the candles are lit up, and earth with the plant-like motifs. All these striking characteristics are attached to a hot air balloon with a patterned body of a globe. The cost of candlesticks were high. Candlesticks were an expensive commodity during this period. The bright lighting and glass would enhance the sparkle of the candlelight, adding to its sophistication. Jean Galle. Jean was known for his luxurious style and making pieces out of gilt bronze. He made lock cases, candelabras, and chandeliers. Jean had an idea of functionality as well as being visually pleasing. He created the chandelier to spike viewers' imagination. And he did exactly that. Thomas Hope said, "Enable its shape and accessories to afford additional gratification to both the eye and the imagination." Providing symbology in its subtle characteristics, it welcomed art to what was once just light. It represented exploration of its hot air balloon with its globe design, calling for celebration as soon as the candles were lit. I'm very lucky to have stumbled upon this magnificent piece, and I hope that it continues to carry on the imagination of its viewers. One thing I did not note very well was the fishbowl. At the bottom of the piece, you will see a fishbowl in this area. It did hold a fish, during its viewings, and well, it was not in the bowl, it was in a much more habitable area, and it was made to add to the glimmer and shine of the piece. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.